Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Bulktexter, how to subscribe, how to use the service. Now if you open the website bulktexter.com.ng, you see an announcement, you see a video demo. In this video demo you see every of the video on how you need to know all the features on Bulktexter. Just click on it, you can watch other videos on how you can use this again. Now let me close this now. Now you can see the pricing is down here. You can see the pricing, how much what you get, what you'll be paying. But that is the first time I want to sign up. Let me get started and get started as a new user. You can contact via the details here. Even when you reload this announcement, contact inquiries, you can always contact when you have issues, and we're ready to give you that full support. Now let me register. Let me just use my personal email. Let me use this. Let me just create an account. Okay, you'll be sent a code. You'll send a code for verification. Let's hold on. Yeah, okay, load. It's loading. You must click this before you can be able to register. That's why it loads. So now let's continue. It has been marked. Now let's register. So they'll send a code. They'll send a what is it called activation link to the email. So just hold on while it loads. Still sending. Don't mind my network. Okay, it has been sent. So I'm gonna reload this. I'll reload this. You get an email from Bulktexter. I just got it now. I had to go and mistakenly reload again. Let's hold on while it loads. So click on this. Click on this. So verify here. Once you verify, it takes you to another page. Don't mind my network. Don't mind my network. So now automatically, it's just a one click. Once you click on verify, you are logged in on the dashboard, and this is the account. Voila! Now you can see I have 20 free credits. It means I can send 20 SMS. Remind you, SMS charges from you get the charges for the SMS. So, but these credits enable you to send 20 SMS. Now, I've done a video about how you connect your device, which is coming here. I want to watch it. Come here, add device. You can always add your what is it called? Your phone, because you definitely going to download an app. That app is what you use to serve as a gateway to send a message. So watch that video on how you can download the app. Once you open it, once you click on this add device, you download the app on your phone, open it on your login on your phone, open it on your phone. After installing it, they come back to the laptop, then you scroll down, then you scan. You see scan here, then you scan. Once you scan, automatically your device will be added. So the device is what will be serving as gateway to send your message. Now, in this purpose of this video is just for you to subscribe. That's purpose to register and subscribe. Then you can watch the other video I did based on the link. Then look at how I done the video about how you can, what is it called, how you can connect your device. Now let's say I want to subscribe to this 2.5. I have to click on 2.5. Then I'm going to definitely going to fill my informations. Okay, country Nigeria. Okay, confirm order. So easy. Country fee is not my address. It's correct Nigeria. So click on this. So automatically, once you check out, it's gonna tell you to pay. It's either you pay with your card or you pay with your transfer. You can use two options. You can use card option. Transfer is when you select any bank you want to pay with, put your account number. Also pay your account number, they'll send you a code, then you automatically it gets deducted from your account. And if you have paid, this is how you see it. You see it like this. You come to subscription, and you'll see the plan that you are currently on. So that is how you do sign up and also register on Bulk